How to auto remove silence in CapCut on MacBook. So you can open your CapCut, and for this feature you will need the CapCut Pro. Once you have your project open, simply click on the video clip, and here we want to click on this little icon, which is the transcript. Simply click it and it will find all your pauses, silences and repeats in your project. As you can see, these are all my pauses, and then click on delete to remove all these silenced areas. And now you have to double check if it correctly removed the silence. So you have to do it on your own and double check if all is correct.
Here at the W.
So again, this little icon transcript, and you can remove all silence in your clip. So that's all you have to do. If you find it very helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.